In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Ecwid in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an artist selling digital prints, an author with ebooks, or a musician with digital tracks, Ecwid offers a fantastically streamlined platform to get your digital goods to your audience. So let's dive right in and get your digital shop up and running. First things first, navigate to Ecwid's official website. This platform is your ticket to setting up a free online store that suits both your needs and the expectations of your customers. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice quite a few options, but what you're looking for is the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. Next up, for ease of use and to streamline the process, Ecwid offers a handy sign-in with Google option. This is particularly useful if you want to keep your business-related accounts and activities streamlined under a single Google account. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for this venture. Once you've selected your account, you will find yourself at the heart of your new digital storefront, the Ecwid control panel. This dashboard is where all the magic happens. From managing orders to adjusting settings, think of it as the command center for your online business. To start adding your digital products, you'll need to navigate to the catalog section. Hover over it and you'll see a few options pop up. Click on products. This is the area where your products will live, breathe, and be showcased to the world. In the products section, look for a button or link that says add new product. This is your next stop. Clicking this will take you to the product creation page, a blank canvas for you to describe and detail your digital product. One of the most important aspects of online sales is the visual representation of your product. Ecwid allows you to upload images of your digital products. This could be cover art for your ebook, a thumbnail for your video content, or sample images for digital artwork. A compelling image can make all the difference in attracting customers, so select something that reflects the essence of what they're purchasing. With the visual aspect covered, it's time to name your digital product. This name is what customers will see first, along with the image, so make it descriptive yet concise. It should give potential buyers a clear idea of what they're getting. Following the name, you have the opportunity to write a detailed description. This is where you can truly sell your product. Highlight its benefits, features, and any other selling points. If it's an ebook, consider including a brief synopsis or a couple of rave reviews. For digital art, describe the inspiration behind the piece or the themes it explores. The more information you provide, the easier it is for customers to make a purchasing decision. Lastly, after ensuring all information about your digital product is accurate, compelling, and complete, click on Save. This final step secures your product's place in your online store and makes it visible to potential customers. Congratulations! You've just taken a massive step towards selling your digital products online with Ecwid, but the journey doesn't end here. Explore the platform, experiment with its many features, and optimize your store for the best possible customer experience. Remember, the online marketplace is vast, and standing out requires not just quality products, but also a user-friendly, attractive, and efficient online presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to sell digital products on Ecwid. Whether you're kickstarting a new digital venture or looking to expand your existing online business, Ecwid provides a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform to help you achieve your goals. Now go forth and start selling.